static friction, and get ready for our bamboo until to the lower back. Then put a pressure point on the lower back. Stay at least 5 seconds. Then keep on going back. Then on the scapula, curve. Scapula again. Then go back. Then we go to the lower back. Then now we're gonna do scapula. Then now that's the one we do on lower back. From longitudinal to transverse and pressure point and release.